guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Burger Point takeaway. Yeah, my Burger Point. Yeah, say fair the akula Burger Points mali. Ooh, look at the chicken wing, guys. Look at the chicken wing from Burger Point. Aye, burger, yeah. You know how I was talking about egg burger the other day? Yeah, I got me an egg burger as well. Yeah, and I got hot chips. And I got a strawberry milkshake. They don't sell a lime milkshake, you see. And this one is the cheesy dip. And I don't know what this is, but it just came along with it. It's Samoan language week, guys, this week. So, to tell you the truth, I really don't know when Samoan week is, but I know it's coming real soon, okay? And it's special, guys, because we are Samoans, and I just turned in my jacket, rude, to my farm. Oi, gotta get my prayer done. Won't be long, guys. What was I saying? Memory loss, come back to me. Anyway, it's a Samoa week. This week, I'm gonna upload this video tonight after I get the food eaten. Oh, and buffalo wings. I know, guys. I can't even handle hot food, but you know, I want to do it for you guys. What's this? I have no idea. I have no idea. But anyway, taste is yeah. I got the cheesy sauce for Guys, I had to wash my hands because I knew I was going to get into my food. This burger keep looking at me. It's like, eat me. Hey, oh, it's a soft cooked one too. See, most of the yolk is in the box. Guys, have a bite. Okay, I forgot to turn off the aircon. Hang on. What a messy face. I just go and turn off the aircon. Actually a nice burger. I bit into it and then I went to turn off the aircon, but it's actually a nice burger. Oh, Burger Point. Burger Point. Oh, look how thick the patty is. Yum. Now, this is the kind of burger I like. I added the egg in. Yeah, Polytube had sent me a message to do something, but I didn't even see it till today, and I only saw it because I gave my phone to my daughter to do Uber Eats for me, just get my food, and she goes, Mum, you have some messages on Instagram? I don't know, no one tells me. Oh, nice burger, guys. Did I give you guys a bite? Yeah, have a bite. This is a lovely burger. Anyway, so sorry to Polytube for taking my time, but I didn't know. You know, guys, I'm pretty slack. This is nice. I'm so happy these three places are nearby. I should have island food, poly food, which I'm will be. But like I said, only when we were starting to order the food that there was any knowledge that Polytube had sent a message. So I quickly did what they asked, sent it through, and if I'm too late, it's my fault. Every time I eat good, I always feel privileged, you know. And I got a milkshake today from Burger Point. This is Burger Point in Mustang Park. Cheers, guys. This is the first time I've ordered this. I only order like Fanta when I go there. That's actually nice. That's actually nice. I mean, we should all know what strawberry tastes like. This one's nice and smooth. The sweetness just right. I've had milkshakes like under sweetness, over sweet, under sweetness, under sweetness. I ordered my mum's meal from UE Eat. And it's already made. But I don't order it. I can't order things. My daughter Sharon does. I can't order things, guys. Yeah, I get my kids to do all that. Sometimes they get a bit frustrated with me. I'll give them a frustrated in a minute, but you know, help your poor mama out, guys. I love to know how to do my own ordering. But they don't take the time to teach me. This sauce is really nice. This cheesy sauce. It's like I can taste vinegar now. If you're professional, you should, yeah. Can't waste that. It's good to see the new faces. Hello, Talofa. How are you? Oh, I got a nice, I saw Steph and Tasha. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. Yeah, they came from Easter and Yana, their channel. Okay, so go and check them out. Oh, Steph and Tasha, oh, they're doing good for themselves. So good on them. But it doesn't mean you can't go there and check them out. And if you like it, guys, subscribe. You'll have some good watching on their channel. I watched 2 of their videos today. I liked it. I like that they have a good communication. Yeah, they're pretty good. This burger is delicious. I really love this burger. My daughter was joking to me I should do a ASMR. I said to her, baby, I can't do an ASMR. I talk too much. I really can't whisper. I can't. It's like I've not been heard. Blabbermouth. Alright, stop it. Who said that? Oh. Having a Samoa language week. And then Cook Island week. Tongan week. I wish they had that here in Australia. Like a Samoa language school class, like, because that's why I stuck with talking Samoan, because my parents don't you know, they told us from the beginning for Samoa, because me and my older brother, when we got to know the language, you know, the English language, we started talking it. I started, you know, like getting used to speaking English. And my mom said, hey, you cứ đang ăn say là ông phải đây yêu cùng ăn. I first Samoa. And so because our mom is the disciplinary parent, we had to do as we're told, or kapow, pound pound. Yeah. See, my age group, I'm probably a bit under, and probably still now. We got raised with you know, fussies as a hiding, and depending on your behavior, it can be a big fussy or a little fussy. That was up to you. My age group. No. So, but I tell you what, even though it was painful to get fussies, but it's helped. It's helped us. I know. People will look at that and go, help, physical abuse. I know that. It doesn't. Oh, I got a text. I should have. You know, when I do my my filming, I usually chuck my camera under the pillow so I don't hear it. And I forgot it, and it's in my pocket. It goes bzz, bzz. Anyway, that bzz, bzz is for my phone, guys. It's not for me anything else. In case you're wondering. No. Anyway. Ayaw galing ang paya ko. Oh yeah. Not getting the fussy palaces. Fussy palasi only happen when your parent calls you and calls you and calls you and you don't listen. So, or you're climbing out the window. Yeah, when I was in my teens, guys, I used to climb out the window. But listen, how many of you guys did the sneaking out ones? Especially when you're in your late teens and that, and you want to get out there and boogie on down at the nightclub, so you sneak out. Yep. I remember when my sister first came from Samoa. Okay, guys. Where's my tea? Where's my tea? Okay. When my sister first came from Samoa, I was already going to nightclubs. I started going out to nightclubs when I was a little kid, man. Bad. Bad, but good at that time, you know? Because, you know, if you got you. Anyway, so my sister came from Samoa. My sister grew up in Samoa from the age of 12. And she came back in our lives at the age of 21. Because back in those days in the 70s or 60s, whatever, they only allowed, I think, four kids per family. And I just found out when I was older, as an adult. Rude, so rude to hurt my feelings. That, so how many of us, so, oh hang on, wait, there's my sister, my brother, my other 2 brothers, and me. Yeah, 4, so there had to be 1. Anyway, so the story goes like this. So I heard, because I was a really rebellious little child, I was so naughty, I tell you. One of those kids would say, don't touch, I'll go and touch. Don't do this, I'll go and do it. What a devil child. Anyway, not bad. Who's that? Oh, well, stop laughing. I can see you. Whatever. I only found this out when I was an adult. Not too long ago. Anyway, so I know. So there was only 4 per limit per family. And you know, us Islanders, we get heaps of kids, right? So my parents had 1 too many on the that was the worst rule they can ever come up with, you know. Samoa, why? I mean, my parents had to make that hard decision of which child to leave behind, and that's really, really sad for parents to be put in a division, you know, with their children. So what happened? I found out, as an adult, my dad's already passed away. I find out that when they had to make the decision which out of the 5 was going to stay back in Samoa, and my dad said me, because I was really naughty. Anyway, had my feeling. So, and then, but then my mum said that she said that it's her fault, it is, she has to leave the oldest one, and that was my sister, right? Because my dad said to leave me, and yeah, my mum said, yeah, good idea, Mama Bear. So, you know what? Lucky my mum is the boss. So, yeah. So, yeah, but still. But what a hard decision for my dear parents to do. So which child to take, which child to, you know? So my poor sister, she stayed back. Yeah, she stayed back with my dad's older brother. And the thing was, they were supposed to help get my sister to us. There's so many different this and that. So my poor sister had to go through all this stuff, and then only when she was 21, something happened in Samoa, like with near like domestic violence, and so my dad, yeah, guys, when I heard that my dad wanted to leave me behind, my heart was going. And then my mum said, but there was no way I was going to leave you. And I went, So So my heart mended again. But when I heard about it, it was like, My mum said nice words, and I went, phew. But then when I think about my poor parents, I feel so sorry. I feel so sorry for the heartbreak that they had to do. I tell you what, that plane ride for my parents to New Zealand, 1972, I think, was not an easy ride. I bet you all the way through, all they could think about was my older sister. How hard, eh? You know, the government have a come up with their plan to say, oh, only 4. When they know we breed big time. We have a lot of kids. You know? Oh, God. That is so sad. I just want to know who did it? Who came up with the idea? Right. Now my sister comes over when she's 21. Yeah. She comes and joins us finally in Auckland. But she did come over with my uncle when we used to stay in Wellington. She came over when she was 18. And then she came over because my parents wanted her to come over because things to do with domestic violence. So, and my dad, because something had to, so my parents made this plan that my mum was going to go over to Samoa. And at the same time, that's when my sister had this problem happening with her in Samoa. So, my mum's fare was already paid and she was getting ready to go. And then my sister writes and says, oh, please let my dad go instead of her. So everything got changed around. And it was a good choice because my dad wasn't putting up with any abuse from my sister's ex, so there was no way he was accepting that. And he brought my sister back, and when she was 21, brought her to us, right? I feel sorry for her too, because at the time, she was over for 3 months, right? And she was, then after the 3 months, she has to go back. Because my parents, they are not law-breaking people. They are law-abiding citizens, right? Anyway, and the time drew near that she was gonna go. And I felt sorry for her because me and her were talking one time, and she started crying that she didn't want to go back. And that was really hurtful, So, let me finish up this story. I'm just thinking about her at the time. But anyway, let me finish this story. Suck it up, push in those tears. Anyway, so what happened? So, and then out of nowhere, no, it is from somewhere. I tell you from where. See, my mum, she started praying to keep, our sister there. And then the government came up with this new thing. It was just a once off. Oh, what did they call it back then? See what happens when you go to school to eat your lunch? Yeah, I know you will eat all the work. Yeah, I know, yeah. Anyway, what was it? Okay, so my sister and anyone else that was in New Zealand at the time, they could stay. They could stay. They don't have to go back to the islands if they choose not to. Just that time, the month of my sister's last month, and Dad came and said that whoever wants to stay in New Zealand can stay. Oh. And that was God. He did that. Hang on, guys. I was just looking down so I don't have to look at you and start crying like a baby. Anyway, so thank the good Lord that He took mercy, you know, on all these people that wanted to stay in New Zealand. So they got to stay in New Zealand. Yeah. And that's how my sister came to stay with us and then remained there with us until she met her husband, and then she had kids, and then they only had one kid in New Zealand, and then her and her husband decided to move to Australia. When was that? Probably 84, and that's that story of that. Yeah. Yeah. Boy. Hello? Me! Anyway, that was my rude sister. That's my other rude sister. Wow, they're all rude. Anyway, guys, you know when someone cuts you off, you lose your appetite, right? That's what happened just now. It's a long story, guys, but I'm going to tell you guys eventually about something that just happened to my poor child. Yes, and it's got to do with some evilness. Anyway, guys, this food, bomb diggity, that phone call just cut me off. Oh, my sister, you wait when I get you. Anyway, guys, beautiful food. Beautiful burger, beautiful chicken wings, beautiful chips, beautiful, very blessed. Happy Samoan Language Day, guys. Ia tau manuia, alofa tele atu mo. Take care, and thanks for hanging out with me, guys, even though I didn't finish my food, because I started gossiping, then the phone rang, then I got put on my food, and then I started getting...